so that we can even produce more better and more quality players.
The Confederation of Africa Football, CAF, is working on a $1 billion funding model that will help fund national associations with a keen emphasis on youth structures at grassroots.
We had an EXCO meeting now, and a lot of important issues were discussed. We are engaging on this $1 billion partnership that we've been discussing with the private sector. At the heart of that is to ensure, and that $1 billion over 8 years, is to ensure that we increase the financial resources that's available for African football. A huge amount of that financial funding is going to youth competitions, it's going to investment in academies, it goes into promoting young boys and young girls to participate in competitions in Africa and make sure that those competitions are world-class. The youth are the foundation for the future. We know that Africa has got enormous talent. We haven't always succeeded to nurture and to identify and to develop that talent historically, and that's a focus area.
Kenya Prison's volleyball assistant coach